BIM 360 Docs provides a streamlined process for designers who use different authoring tools in the AEC collection to collaborate on a project. In this workflow example, an architect is using AutoCAD to create floor plans of a building renovation, while the engineer is using Revit to design mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. By downloading the AutoCAD drawings that the architect has stored on BIM 360 Docs, the engineer can link them to the appropriate levels in Revit, where they will be used as external references to inform the placement of the HVAC systems. As the supply, return, and exhaust systems are added, productivity is greatly enhanced because Revit automatically creates the transitions and the elbows that are needed to connect to the air terminals in this project. During this process, the designer has the option of working in 2D views, 3D views, or both. And when the design is completed, the engineer can prepare design files for the architect to view in AutoCAD by exporting them as an AutoCAD drawing, complete with layers, line weights, and colors that have been defined as standards by the project team. Since BIM 360 Docs is the centralized location that houses all the project data, the engineer can publish the 2D HVAC layout as well as the linked architectural floor plan for everyone to access. In this environment, the drawing can be reviewed. Layers can be frozen and thawed, just like AutoCAD, to isolate specific areas to view. And since the MEP design was created in Revit, the supporting 3D model can be posted for review as well.